Okay, how we doing out there? First things first, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of a Luminous 4K screen paint using ambient light projection technology king times 2, 3, and 5. I'm showing off our Superior screen paint outside, probably around 8 or 9. I could be wrong. I don't know where my cell phone's at, but we're in the morning hours, as we can see, daylight hours. And I'm showing you some dark contrast demonstrations. Show you where my projector is sitting. So my projector is probably about a good 10 feet back from where we're at and where I have the screen sitting. As you can see, there's no protection for it whatsoever. I'll grab me another video real quick. So there's no protection for the screen at all whatsoever. So I'm going to come over here and show you from the side so you can see that there's nothing protecting the screen at all. It's out in the open. So I'm just going to let this play, and as you can see, there's rain dripping down on the screen. It is raining out here. Just to show you that the screen can produce amazing contrast levels outside. And keep in mind, I don't care what kind of light meter you have, you can't beat outside ambient light. There's no way around it. And as you can see, it keeps its color nice and beautiful. Yeah, we got crows out here. Just about everything else out here. Let me see if I can bring it down a little bit. There we go, I had the wrong one. I've done this video quite a few times. Oh yeah. Sorry about that. Wifey was using the whatchamacallit and she broke it. The nozzle to the hose. Yep, and she broke it. It's right here. My wife was using it and she broke it. Oh great. Well, anyway, I want to put some water on the screen, but my wife broke the nozzle, so I'm gonna have to use it this way instead. But yeah, she broke it. She breaks stuff and never tells me that she breaks it. So I wanted to spray more water on this, but we'll see what we can do here. Oh yeah, she broke it. She never told me she broke it. At least I could have went to Home Depot and bought another one. something our technology can do that no other technology can do. Fully weatherproof, and you can bring them outside. Look at the angle gain outside. Got that in the range. I keep forgetting my camera's not waterproof. I had to buy me another hose. Last time she was using, she was washing the car. And she must have broke the hose. Didn't tell me about it, which would have been nice because I could have went over to Home Depot and picked up another one. Out. Just make sure I get the right number here. So I'm at a distance right now. So make sure I got the right one. There we go. I love doing this video. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I am Kenneth Bird from Luminous 4K Screen Paint using ambient light rejection, technology gain times 2, 3, and 5. This right here is our superior ambient light rejection cinema screen paint. It is available for pre-order. The official launch date for the screen paint will be March the 10th. All pre-orders will stop on March the 1st. It shows you even on a cloudy day, and keep in mind, even on a cloudy day, there is still tons of ambient light. There's more ambient light outside than there is inside any day. Oh, and before I leave, this is the screen I did out and downstairs. This is the blackout cloth screen. That's the blackout cloth screen right there. Coated with the formula. And this is the blackout cloth we gave you for free. So this one's plexiglass behind you, and this right here is the blackout cloth material. So you can see it doesn't make a difference what you coat this stuff on. This is on a 720p projector I'm using right now. Now that's the blackout cloth material right there. That's plexiglass. Put this back in the house. See, the screen is wet. Right now it's actually raining outside. We got rain out here. It's wet. So you got those that want to actually show that the technology is like the superior, and they can't be. I'm sorry. The technology is just too far advanced. We're talking about technology that has the ability to produce front and rear technology. Can produce images outside. Can be used to make 720p projectors look absolutely incredible. Can have a projector pull back over 19 feet and still produce an image. Now keep in mind, these screens produce images outside, and I'll post some demonstrations outside with more light than this outside in the morning hours. How much easier is it going to be for this technology to produce images in a fully lit environment in your home? This is easy. Look at that sunset. And like I said, it's not being protected by any awning or anything whatsoever. Sorry, looking for something here. Alright, thank you all for your time, and God bless.